So for those that don't have too much money, I'm here to teach you on how you can actually start a dollar cost averaging bot. And like I said to you guys, a dollar cost averaging is basically in investing a fixed amount of USD or BTC or any kind of crypto on a regular time intervals. You often see a reference by its abbreviation of DCA, like purchasing $10 every week, for example, will be dollar cost averaging. So we're going to go to actually Kucoin. And in Kucoin, we're going to click on trading bot. And there's a bunch of bots here. Okay. We got spot grid, future grid, smart rebalance grid, DCA grid, and infinity grid. And we're going to use this one. Create bot. And let me stop for a second because I need to do something. So let's go back. Like I said, we're going to do a DCA bot. If you try to use any other spots, I used spot grids and the other ones, and I lost money. Don't use any of them. Now the DCA bot is pretty easy. All you do is click here, and you're going to decide what currency do you want to cover, to actually, to catch every day. And since I'm a person that recommends, and it's been this over 8 months, recommends to buy the blue chips, buy the first 100 market cap in CoinGecko.com, I will just start a BTC USDT bot, and you're gonna go and find BTC. You're gonna say start now, and you're gonna decide how much money you want to put. Do you want to do it daily? You do want to do it hourly? You want to do it 4 hours? You want to do it 8 hours? Usually I will say one day I'm doing 12 hours. Every 12 hours, it pulls money from my account. You need money there in your account to do DCA. But let's say that you just want to do once a day. Most people will do once a week, and then you do $10, okay? You're going to say, hey, don't touch this. Just leave it. Let's say that I'm just going to leave $10, $10, okay? And it's telling me that that will be 10%, okay? If you put more, this number is going to raise. Say that I want to do $50 a week. That will be 50%. Then you're going to go create, and it's going to create the bot. I'm just going to do another $1 once a week. Okay. You're going to confirm order. And now your bot is here. Okay. It will collect every week $1 or the amount of money that you put. Now, with this type of bot, you're not going to make money in the sense of fast money. This is for like, you're going to have to have this for a year, because this is hodling. This is holding a coin for a long time, 12 months or more. And the reason that a lot of people hodl or hold coin portfolios or coin is because they don't want to pay the managed taxes. They want to pay the long-term capital gains. When you're bot trading like I am, you pay short-term gains. So it will collect every week $1. And the total profit is going to balance out as you get more money. Because if you see, I got several bots here. Okay. The way to stop the bot is to click on here. The way to revise the bot, if you want to make more money and pull more money, is to revise the parameters. So if you decide that you want to do more than $1 a week and you want to do $100 a week, you can come here and change the number and confirm. You can come here if you want to do it more than once a week or bi-weekly or whatever, and you confirm, you change that and confirm. So you have created your first bot in Kucoin. Like I said, I don't bot trade from here besides these DCA bots because I tried all the other bots and I lost money with those. With this one, is the safest bet for the people that want to have to manage risk. So I hope you like this because there's so many things to do here on crypto.com, on Kucoin.com. So please keep chugging along. Take care.